Crystal. This is Brent. And this is Evie. We're a small family from a small town with big dreams of adventure. Subscribe and join us on our small town adventures.
So this is Imogen Creek. This is where, as far as we can go at the moment, unfortunately. From here up to Bloomfield is closed, still due to COVID-19. But anyway, we'll have to do this another day.
We come up with a bit of a plan. Seeing as we can't keep going north, we're going to stay here for one more day because there seems to actually be a lot to see just in this area. And then we're going to head to the tablelands and go inland a little bit and try and find somewhere that's dry to air out the camper trailer a bit because it's been very wet. But yeah, it's disappointing, but there's other stuff we can go and see.
Plenty to do.
Yeah.
Just gotta go elsewhere, but we'll definitely be back. So this place is called Jack's Place. Chosen this place because it's an online website called Youcamps, and the first night we came up here in the Daintree, there wasn't many sort of just unpowered campsites. You had to go in the caravan parks, and it's just, the sites are only very small. It's hard to set the camper up fully with the annex and everything in the sides that are so pokey. So we didn't know about Youcamps, didn't think much of it until we heard it on the radio and we thought we'd check it out. It's privately owned properties where the owners put their properties up on a website called Youcamps, and you pay the property owner to stay. So this one popped up and we thought we'd give it a go, and it's definitely a lot better than staying in the caravan parks. So this is Jack's Place.
After a few days of constant rain and cramped campsites, we were really thankful to find Jack's place. We finally had space where we could get the whole camper trailer set up. Eva could be out on the grass without us worrying about whether it was too wet or too dirty or too rocky, and it just really changed our whole trip. It meant that we could slow down for a few days and actually spend some time enjoying the Daintree Rainforest, which was really fantastic. If you haven't been to check out Youcamps yet, make sure you Google it. It is a fantastic site and we will be using it very often from now on.
This is Mason's swimming hole, just behind a cafe. Oh, look out! Oh, careful down the steps, honey. Oh, this is clear water. Very pretty little spot. Crystal clear water. There's Crystal and Evie getting used to the water.
Evie's ready to go. Oh, let me in, Mum. These fish are really big.
Lovely spot. Looks like something out of Jurassic Park.
Evie loves it. Yeah.
Did you dunk it under?
Yep. Go on. So this is a really good camping recipe because you can just use whatever's left. So if you're starting to get towards the end of your trip and you've got random vegetables that you didn't end up using, you can throw it in this because you can put in anything you want. It doesn't really matter. So I've got some beef here. I'm using blade steak, I think, and I cut it up before we left and vacuum sealed it. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the beef into a Ziploc bag with a bit of flour and just toss that around and salt and pepper and leave it to the side while I get the rest going. And now I'm going to cut up the onion and put that in the pot and get that cooking. So I'll keep an eye on that as it's going, but I'm going to start cutting up the veggies, and then once that's cooked down a bit, I'll probably throw the meat in to brown that off. So I've got 3 potatoes. Look, I'm just leaving the skins on and I'm just going to chop them up nice and rough. Okay, so in there I've got my mushroom, carrot, potato, These onions look pretty good, so I'm going to throw the meat in to brown that up. I'm going to put a litre of water in there. Give that a bit of a stir. Okay, so in that, with the water, I'm going to put some stock and some brown onion gravy. And I've got salt and pepper, obviously, some garlic, and some Italian herb mix. Everything is just guess. Guess and then put a little bit more. And then it's usually right. Alright, so we've got all of the spices and mixes and flavourings in there, and I've just given it a stir around to mix it in. And then you just throw your veggies in and just keep an eye on it to make sure there's enough liquid in there to cook the veggies and keep it all going. You can always add more water and stock as you go. And then you just got to cook it until the meat is however tender you want it. So it depends what kind of meat it is. We'll probably cook ours for about 2 hours, and that's pretty much it.
Very nice. Nice and thick and very filly tummy. Very good camping.
I'm gonna have to call it pepper steak and onion stew. Oranges, and I'm going to hollow those out and then put chocolate brownie batter on the inside and wrap them in foil and throw them in the fire. I think it was for about 30 minutes, and hopefully we'll have chocolate orange brownies for our after dinner. Alright, they're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Join us next time as we head up the range to the Tablelands, where we find some tasty treats and some more amazing spots to explore. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Small Town Adventures.